Oh, oh, yun naman to. Babad, scoop it! Scoop it! Okay.
What's your name?
Yeah. Hey guys, again, it is still the same day. I last spoke with you during the day, and I thought I would also communicate with you in between, but I was very, very, very busy. Guys, if I tell you that my life is view once, I mean it, guys. Mna nje ilife yam sana ndihlala ndiku-rush hour. So anyway, guys, today I must say it was a very fruitful day. Everything, guys, was done. I don't think there is anything that I did not do which I wanted to do today. So firstly, remember I wanted to go to Joburg and check up on my tailor, which is my sister, like a sister's company. Obviously my sister is at home, but obviously the production is still carrying on. So I went to check my stuff, if how far they are. So yeah, guys, I think they are on 50% done. And then I also went to I think Foxback to check on material. I also went to Maponya Mall. I wanted a phone. Remember, guys, I told you that my phone was lost and then I had insurance, so I claimed. Now they had to replace my phone, so I got this phone. Guys, I got this phone. The service there at High Emaponya is top tier, guys. Everyone in that store is so friendly, like very friendly, guys. They are willing to work. You guys, man, I felt so welcomed there. Like they are homely. They are just so homely, guys. So yeah, guys, I got this phone. But guys, bayaropa abantu be-insurance. So my phone was covered for 6.6, I think 6.6. So when I got there, they said I must take anything of 6.6. So there was nothing for 6.6. This was 6,000. So they said, no, you're not gonna get a change. You're not gonna get change. Guys, how? Kanjani? Okay, I'm like, okay, can I take any other thing to amount to that money? They're saying no. Can I take something higher, like phone, maybe higher, and then I top up? They say no. So guys, I was head shame, I don't want to lie, but anyway, I got the phone, guys, and then I went straight to do my nails. So yeah, guys, it was nice. I did my nails, but yeah, because of I kept on postponing, so my nail tech also took other people, so I had to wait. I came back I think around 8, and then the tint and wax I did earlier on, you already saw, and I think I did explain. So right now, guys, I need to sleep because I need to wake up in the next 3 hours. Guys, pray for me, pray for me. And I also hope that the people I'm going with, guys, they're not gonna give me headache, because we are leaving at 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock we should be leaving. So the time right now is 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So I don't know what time we're gonna be leaving. So currently I just quickly bathed. Now I want to sleep, ne? So I will set the alarm, and then I'm hoping that at 1 o'clock I wake up, ne? Another thing that is exciting, guys, that I did not update you with, it is the fact that I was gonna add eSIM on my phone. So guys, I have been procrastinating about it, rounding, ngafuna ukuyenza, thinking that it is too much admin, and I also thought that I need to do it at iPhone store. So I was like, yo, I need to go look for iStore store, like iPhone store, ne? iStore. So to my surprise, because of the friendliness and the people aba say hi, they told me, no, wenzani ente iPhone sisi, yeah, kwi-service provider. So I had to rush to MTN. Guys, also the MTN people, they were very friendly as well. They're inside Maponya, ne? Maponya Mall. Then they helped me. So right now my phone is using 2 SIM cards, guys. And then I did the SIM swap, which costed 65 rand. But right now it's still not reflecting yet. It still shows the other number, which is I do not want the new number. So I'm currently waiting for it to reflect that, or for it to show my number, my old number, so that I can start using it. Guys, I know I'm rambling. Let me sleep, guys, and then we will wake up at 2 o'clock. Pray for me, guys. Love you loads. For now, good night. Mwah. Bye. Hey guys, again, this is after 2 hours, guys. I last spoke with you. The time right now is currently let's see the time on my new phone, guys. The time is currently, why this phone is not focusing? Here's the time. The time is 1:39 in the AMs, guys. So I set the alarm that once I'm done everything, I should be done everything at 1:30, bathing and everything. Then I must have that alarm. So I am done everything. I am currently waiting for my cousins. Guys, I'm worried because I'm looking at this time that this is the time that they should be arriving at my place, and they are still at home. They are telling me that they are eating, and guys, what are you eating around 2 in the, like, in the AMs? In the AMs, what are you eating? Because I don't understand. I really don't understand. But yeah, I think I should just have faith and wait. I've already bathed, I've already prayed, I've already packed my things. My things are just in one place. I'm just waiting for that one call that come to Grasmere, because that is where we're gonna meet, and then we go. I am gonna
I'm sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to get through to you. Because you don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could dream of. Baby, won't you hear me? Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, won't you hear me when I say
Molweni bethunana, molweni sise Eastern Cape sana. We just entered Eastern Cape right now. We are in Alwal North. We are not yet at home. We are left with about 2.5 hours. We're still gonna drive, but right now soluli nyawo sana, and ngapha ke sana usisi wenu ebefumbele. So kuye kwamele ndiphungule sana, ndinxibe le gym wear top ke sana, but ipijama ndisayimaintainile sana, ndisayinxibile. So yeah guys, yo, I'm so tired. I think I'm drowsy, but I think I can still do the 2 hours. Guys, I forgot to update you. We left Johannesburg around past 4 a.m.s. Around past 4 a.m.s. Guys, please tell me why ifamily yam inje. Why ifamily yam inje? And then get on the way, guys. We're not rushing anywhere. We're also taking some stops. So I'm not worried about the time because we are almost there. So I think around 1-2 we'll be at home. We'll be home. We will be home, baby. We'll be home. So yeah, guys, we just touched the motherland. So stick with me. I will also stick with you, Kesana. Let's go and meet my parents. Just got my par.
Wendithi nguye.
Chala kuchi camera kum.
Wena.
you can never tell if you go to hell. When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. Annoyed by little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell, and maybe I'll go to hell. I guess you can never tell.
There be peace.
No, I bonga mina nele motweni.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog, you guys. Ndivula le vlog ngenhliziyo ekrunikileyo. Oh, hi guys. My heart is so sad. I am literally going back home today, Eastern Cape. Remember when we opened the year, guys? Sawuvula unyaka on a very, very, very sad note. Heartbroken. Brother katata, the older one, passed away. He was brutally killed. Oh, guys. But again, it's okay. And now my mother's sister, Ifosiboni Yakwabo, has passed away. Negligence yesibhedlele ke sana, but it's a story for another day. Umama kwabo besebeshiyeke beyi-2. It was only umama and his sister. Her sister, guys, was everything to my mother. Like, she was the pillar. She was her strength. She was everything, guys. She was a mother. She was nje. Yabona umama, if ufuna be right, let her speak to her sister, then she's gonna be okay. So at this point, guys, I don't even know how she is feeling because angafiki ekhaya, and I don't even know how to face her. Guys, I can only imagine that at this point she is so heartbroken. She is so heartbroken. She was relying on her. So I think that was the only thing that makes sense in her life. That was the only person she can relate to, or she can talk to, comfortable to. So at this point, guys, I don't know. Not even me and my sister or like my siblings can get anywhere close to how my mother and her sister like were close. Uyabona, so the bond they had, I don't know ukuthi izo-eraswa kanjani or kuzothwani, but we're only hoping for time will heal. So today it is the 28th of April 2025. It is still in the morning, around 9. Guys, I have so many errands to run today. So many, because we're gonna be leaving here in the AMs. So I'm thinking that we're gonna leave around 2 in the morning, ne? And I will be driving. Guys, I don't know if I'm weird or what. I only trust my driving only. Like, driving, yeah, I'm only. The people I'm gonna be going with, some they do have license, ne? They do drive. To make it even worse, the owner of the car is driving. But do I trust her? Do I trust her? Hey guys, I am so sorry, my cousin, because I know you are my number one fan, Gesana Apa. But either way, I think I'll let you drive Masbuya, because Masbuya, I don't think Sizobesi Jahe anywhere, so it's okay. So right now I am going to do my tint and wax, and then on my eyebrows, and then I'm not gonna do my eyelashes, guys. Ever since that time my eyelashes, and then I went through the most, so I am so scared and skeptical to do them again. So I think I'm gonna do tint and wax here, and also I'm gonna do my nails, guys. The appointment time, it's at 12:30. I don't know how I'm gonna work around that one. And I am also going to High Store. I had a phone and then it was stolen, so I claimed the phone. So now I am going there because they wanted 800, and I don't know 800 and how much for what is this, for access fee. So I didn't have it. So right now so ihlangene, so I'm gonna go there and check if it right now. And then I am also gonna go to my tailor, check out ukuthi izinto zami ze Girl how far. Guys, you do know that I have a brand, ETG Girl. So if you haven't supported your girl, please do support me. At this point in the corner, it's the hoodies in different colors, and also it's round neck jerseys, ne, that I currently have on stock. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and check that as well. I bought the snack yesterday for the road, including energy drinks like Red Bull. And even though I'm still gonna buy on the way, but I bought basics nyana. And then I also bought the dress. You remember the last time I was going to the funeral, guys, I was so confused. I was running like a headless chicken. So fortunately enough, yesterday I went to a small street, so I got a very cute nice dress there. So you will see the dress when I'm doing a small street haul, because I am also planning to do small street haul, because I am currently like organizing izinto zase small street, so ngithenga kancane kancane kancane, and then I'll just be doing all at once that haul. So you will see the dress there. If you're not gonna see it here on this vlog first, I don't know how I'm gonna work on that one. Yeah, guys, so inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, guys. More than anything, my heart is so broken. I don't even know how my mother is feeling right now. Again, even my sister was very close to sister mama. Like, you know, people like when they relate nabo yabo bayafonelana benzani benzani. So it's just the most, guys. It's the most. And I also remember that my sister, when we heard about it pass on yaga momkulu, my sister was on her way going to Eastern Cape the following day. She was going to Eastern Cape to check up on her in hospital, but unfortunately she didn't get to see her still alive, but she went on and go there. So right now I am a bit relaxed, because I know my sister is there for my mother and is also there for the husband. Guys, yabona masithetha ngo-husband of the year. Husband of the year, hayi sana trophy and everything singayinikeza husband wakamomkhulu wami. Guys, that man deserve everything that is good in life. He deserves all the blessings that like ezikhona elifini. I pray to God that God, please bless this man. Bless this man. I don't know ukuthi ngesiphi without that man. Like presence yakhe in my sister, my mother's sister, guys, it was a blessing. It was the blessing. You know, when a person is there for you, they mean that. That man was there till the last breath. He was there, guys. I don't even think I could do quarter of what he was doing, guys. Even quarter, just a quarter, guys. Guys, let's give that man flowers. He really deserved them. He really deserved them, guys. Yes, I don't even think ukuthi ikhona percent of indoda enjengala ndoda. Yeah, guys, that man is a man and is a man and a half, guys. That guy, yo, guys, we are blessed in the family to have that man. We are really, really, really blessed. I don't know ukuthi ningabonisa kanjani how much I appreciate him in his presence yakhe in the family. But guys, yo, shame. Anyway, guys, I've never had this longest intro, but I think it's because I am not feeling well. But either way, I think I'm gonna be better when I get home. So yeah, guys, let's see each other when we are at home, or maybe I'll just take you through when I am doing my tint and wax, and also my nails, when I'm also doing my nails, and then when I'm at the high store, and also when I'm at my tailor to check up how far are my things. I think those are the only things that I'm gonna be doing today, guys. On a good side now, or on a good note, sinento ezibuhlungu sinazo nento eziright sana. On the good note of YouTube, guys, we've hit 3,000 subscribers. Guys, we did it. We did it all by ourselves, guys. All by ourselves. Anyway, guys, let's keep the car rolling.
Go for one day, let me